Tuesday, August 7th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start off with a live look up in the mountains from Banner Elk, where the temperature is a nice, comfortable 59 degrees there this morning. And certainly it's a damp and muggy start across most of the region, but a little bit cooler up there in the mountains this morning. Let's take a quick spin around the radar. We've had these light showers through parts of Davidson and Randolph counties. This is during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. More heavy type of shower and thunderstorm activity down into northern South Carolina, lifting up toward parts of the Sandhills region of North Carolina. And then you get back into the upstate of South Carolina, some showers and storms continuing to develop this morning. And that's that activity near a front, which is stalled out across our region and will bring us another damp day with more showers and thunderstorms on the way. Over the past 24 hours, there's your rain totals. Some pretty impressive amounts of rain in some spots. In fact, look at this one little strip of rain through parts of Stanley and Montgomery counties up into southern Randolph County. You had some areas over 4 and 5 inches of rain in that corridor yesterday and last night. You had high temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s in a number of spots yesterday. I think a considerable amount cooler today. A lot of cloud cover and the chance of some showers and some passing thunderstorms as well. Again, that's how we kind of shape up this morning. You have that little boundary now draped down into northern South Carolina and southern North Carolina that's focusing the shower and thunderstorm chances. Very muggy once you get outside of the mountains, low and mid 70s out there across most of the region as a whole. Your dew point temperatures pretty close to the actual air temperatures, meaning it is indeed quite muggy out there as we are beginning the day. All right, here's Stormcast, and really over a lot of the Piedmont, Stormcast is not terribly aggressive with the shower and thunderstorm coverage today, but I think you have to mention pretty good chances of some showers and storms at times, and we will continue to have the possibility of some pockets of locally heavy rain. So that frontal boundary is still there. Not moving a tremendous amount, although it does shift a little bit further south tomorrow. And so I think a lot of us tomorrow back to your typical summertime stuff of warmer temperatures with some scattered afternoon storms. And then notice that next cold front slowly approaching. That'll get here Friday and will enhance our chance of showers and storms again by that point in time. All right, in the tropics here, that is Ernesto. As of the 5 a.m. advisory, a strong tropical storm. Let me show you the enhanced satellite imagery here as I'll kick over to some of the enhanced imagery. And what this is kind of a shading of some of the colder cloud tops associated with this system. And notice right near the center there's a pretty nice little flare-up of some deeper convection. And that is a sign that the system is still trying to strengthen and has a pretty decent chance of becoming a minor hurricane prior to landfall. Here is your 5 a.m. advisory information. Well, we kind of skipped through that quickly, but it was a 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm, and landfall will occur tonight along the Yucatan Peninsula. There's the Hurricane Center forecast. They do bring Ernesto up to Category 1 hurricane intensity prior to landfall, then, of course, weakening over land, and there could be some degree of re-strengthening over the southern Bay of Campeche before it makes its final landfall there in the Mexico mainland later on. And winds and surf, obviously an issue anywhere from Honduras and Roatan up through Belize and up toward Cancun and Cozumel. But there'll be a lot of inland rain and flooding issues. Now, the good news, at least for the Yucatan, is this will keep moving fairly steadily, but always you have to be concerned about flooding and mudslide issues with this type of tropical system down that way. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.